Hello everyone and welcome to this ZelCore update video. Today I'll be going over the latest updates to ZelCore, including how to process your ZelNode rewards so that they can be spent. A great deal of work went into adding new languages to ZelCore so it can be more accessible around the world. And additional features are still being developed and will continue to roll out over the coming weeks and months. If you like what you see in this video, you can download your own copy of the ZelCore Wallet at ZelCore.io. Now, let's get started. To update your ZelCore wallet, you're going to want to ensure that you have automatic updates turned on. To do this, log into your ZelCore account and click the settings icon. Then, make sure the switch for automatic updates is enabled. ZelCore will automatically check for updates every time you launch the app. If an update is available, it will download the new wallet and inform you that the update will be available the next time you launch ZelCore. The release notes are also displayed so that you can see exactly what improvements have been made. To begin using the latest version, it is recommended to close the app, then wait a moment for it to install the new version, and reopen ZelCore. Up to this point, ZelCore has added ZelNode Management and language sets for Russian, German, Chinese, and Greek. The version of ZelCore I'll be discussing today is version 1.4.1, codenamed Samuel. This latest version includes support for the BZEdge and Monero forks, an option to disable full node encryption, the addition of Gunthy, a complete redesign of the ZelNode Management Section, as well as some bug fixes for macOS users and minor fixes. So let's take a closer look at some of the new features. The first important update is support for both BZEdge and Monero forks. So holders of each coin may continue to transact as normal, but please be sure that exchanges and other users are also running the latest version of the wallet before sending to them. Next, the ZelCash full node wallet tools section has been completely redesigned. So let's take a closer look at some of those features. To access the tools, launch the ZelCash full node wallet. Then, click on the Tools icon. From here, you have options to manage your ZelNodes, wallet, or the daemon. Let's explore the ZelNodes Management section first. Here, you can show ZelNodes, set up a new node, create a ZelNode key, show ZelNode outputs, update your current ZelNode configuration, or start a ZelNode. When you click Show ZelNodes, you will see the entire list of nodes on the network along with their respective collateral addresses and node status. You can also list your own ZelNodes. Or, for a snapshot of the entire network, click ZelNodes Overview. For a graphical representation of this same information, I will direct you to dashboard.zel.network. Check out our video review of the ZelNode dashboard in the link below. Another important tool for every ZelNode operator is the new Wallet Management section. Here, you have the option to shield Coinbase transactions and import or export your private keys. Let's talk a little about the Shield Coinbase feature. Since ZelCash is a fork of Zcash, any newly minted coins must first pass through a shielded or private address before they can be spent. That means that every time you receive a reward for your ZelNode, you'll need to funnel those coins through a shielded private address before you can use them. ZelCore helps to automate that process here by allowing you to specify the sapling address you would like to use for this process. If you do not yet have a sapling address, simply click on the Receiving Address icon, then click the New Sapling Address button. This will create a new private address to which you can send your newly minted coins. Simply click on the sapling address to copy it to the clipboard, then go back to the Wallet Management section to shield your coins. Paste your address with Ctrl-V. then click on Shield. Any newly minted coins will be sent to your sapling address and can then be spent normally. The other option in wallet management is the import or export feature. Here, you can import a private key for another ZelCash wallet address, or you can export all addresses. Our latest wiki describes in detail the best practices for backing up your wallet and private keys. We highly recommend doing this every time you create a new wallet address. Remember, no keys, no crypto. Please practice safe backups. Lastly, the daemon management allows you to perform more advanced tasks with the full node wallet. These features are mostly for troubleshooting and should not need to be adjusted. If you're experiencing issues with your ZelCore full node wallet, we recommend visiting our support page before making any changes to daemon management. This new set of tools makes managing your ZelCash full node wallet and ZelNodes much more intuitive and easy for the average user. There is, however, one other advanced feature that certain power users may prefer. If we were to click on the settings icon, we have an option for asset management. Here, we can set the default light wallet to use for the built-in exchanges. Each asset comes with 3 addresses, so if you want to set ZelCore to use, say, Wallet 2 as the default for exchanges, you can set that here. You can also show the private key for your currently selected wallet here. This will be helpful for backing up your ZelCore light wallet addresses, which is also covered in the new wiki for backing up your ZelCore assets. Please check the link in the description. Finally, our last and newest feature here is for ZelNode operators using the ZelMate Swing wallet. Now, by default, ZelCore encrypts the wallet.dat file used for the full node wallet, which makes it incompatible for use with ZelMate. In other words, your encrypted full node wallet in ZelCore will never be accessible by any other user of ZelCore or ZelMate. Now, the fact that ZelCore encrypts the full node wallet is what makes ZelCore one of the best options for securing any funds that are stored there. However, if you prefer to be able to access the same wallet information via both wallets, you can turn encryption off, which will store a single wallet.dat file on your computer that can be accessed by either wallet. Do keep in mind, however, that if your wallet.dat file is not encrypted, anyone who uses ZelCore or ZelMate on your computer will have full access to the same full node wallet. Again, this option is for more advanced users who prefer the convenience of being able to use either wallet over the security of encrypting their full node with ZelCore. Lastly, if you have questions about ZelCore or are in need of support, please click the help icon and visit our FAQ. Here you can find answers to common questions, or if your question is not answered via the FAQ, live support is also available from our Discord community. That's all for now. We thank you for using ZelCore, and we look forward to continuing to develop one of the fastest growing multi-asset wallets and dApp platforms in crypto. Until next time, this is Goose signing off.